I was spending a lot of time just sitting on the sofa and doing nothing, and that's not normal for me. I like to get a lot done. I'm very productive, and so noticing day after day that I had zero energy, and I have 6 kids. That's not going to cut it. I needed my energy. I met Natalie and Bluestem Nutrition through her sister, and that's the reason why I chose Natalie, was because I knew if I went back to my doctor, it would just be more of the traditional Western treatment. And I didn't want to be prescribed any medicine. I wanted to get to the root cause of not having the energy in the first place. Yeah, when I first started working with Natalie, it was lots of supplements and just getting my body into working with itself, and things just started to flow a lot better for me. I started sleeping better. It was like my energy started coming back in doses. So I noticed less bloating very early on, more energy, not having just the icky feeling in my stomach all the time. So of course those translate into spending time with the family and having more energy for them, and so not being short with my kids and not diving into frustration and being snappy and that kind of thing. So it was a tremendous uplift in my life in so many different areas. I used to have all this energy and it was no problem, and then things just weren't working in my body and getting too much bacteria and that sort of thing, and feeling bloated and no energy. And now I feel like, oh, this is what I used to be like. I used to have this energy. I used to be able to run around and play with my kids without saying, oh, I can't, I'm too tired. And so that feels really good to be back to myself. Really, there's no price that you can put on yourself as a human. And to me, it was a no-brainer. Like, of course I'm going to do this, because if I don't, I get more of the icky, and it's only going to get worse for the rest of my life. I thought the price was very reasonable. There are things that I was doing before, and then I had stopped doing them, like doing yoga. I used to do yoga 3 to 5 times a week, and I didn't have the energy to do yoga. Going a week without doing yoga, and then pretty soon it's 2 weeks, and then it turns into a month, and then it's 2 months, and it's like, this is not me. I'm not myself. But now I'm getting back into the yoga routine. Working with Natalie has been amazing. She's so thoughtful. She goes in straight to the cause, and she has a process. It's not, oh, you have this symptom, let's fix that problem. Oh, now you have this symptom, let's fix that problem. She goes in straight to the cause, and she has a process. And she takes you to the very beginning, and she brings you all the way. So nothing gets looked over, nothing is forgotten. And she knows the order of, no, before we can work on that, we have to work on this. So it's okay if you have those symptoms, but she knows what comes first. Hey, my name is Miranda Tervo, and I am in the Minneapolis area in Minnesota.